welcome to the 4K special video. I have a video for you guys, 4,000 subscriber video. Or should I say a 4K subscriber special video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for 4,000 subscribers. I appreciate it, you guys. Thank you. And now, just like I promised, I have a sound comparison for you guys. And we're going to do my Kentucky old home, whatever you call it. Yeah, my old Kentucky home. On both of my clocks. The 399 and the 607BRH coming right up after this one. So spin down the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications below. Let's get you guys taken care of here. Alright, anyways, without any further ado, enough blabbing, let's get into the video. Alright, now let's go to the 607. Alright, here it is. Now let's do this one. Alright, that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, spin down the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications below. And if you guys want to see more future content, then let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for 4K subscribers. I appreciate it, you guys. Until next time, I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.